This interior reminds me so much of the C3s for the Long Island Railroad. Like, the many times I was with my dad when he had a diesel job, this just reminds me of that. Sorry, like, this is the best I could do because the window is just so blurry. And I'm on the top level.
The next station is Newark, Penn Station. When leaving the train, please watch the gap.
I wonder what's at the rear, because the multi-level is leading, but is it a 45DP or 45A or 46 or 46A? Because I know they just, like, not too long ago, they just introduced the multi-level 3s, but I know they're not in revenue service yet. Either way, I'm happy. And in case you're wondering, no, I'm not taking this all the way to New York Penn Station because it would just be way too expensive, and I'd rather just go the short way and then just take the path back to Manhattan. The fact that they have to mention that. Caught an ACS 64. Now, someone please comment. I think I heard a rumor that they might be retiring in favor of some new Chargers with pantographs on them. I hope not. I'm like, you've already spent millions getting these equipment replacing the HHP8s and the AEM7, so like, you might as well keep what you have. Say North America does have a long way before we fully get some European style trains.
Newark, Penn Station.
Now arriving at Newark, New Jersey, Newark, Penn Station, New Jersey, change here for Raritan Valley Line service.
I know I have this in Train Simulator Classic, but it's been a long time since I played that. Like, it works well on my laptop compared to my old one. It's just, I haven't had the time to play it. Here we are. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials, and be sure to download my new book, Imagination in Space, on Amazon Kindle.